Good morning, students, as you know that we are currently doing the chapter number 16, bill of exchange. In that, most of the cases we covered. Okay, so I think 5 cases we covered here. Okay, till the endorsement of the bill. Okay, now we discuss the next. Okay, so this is the 6th case when bill is dishonor. Okay, so dishonor of bill. So I already told you the entries related to the journal entries in my previous class. When bill is dishonored, what journal entry should be passed. So now we are doing numerical questions related to this. So question number 6 on your book, in your book, page number 689, question number 6 related to dishonor of a bill. Okay, students. So the statement of this question is X draws on Y a bill of rupees 3,000 which was duly accepted by Y. Shows what entries would be passed in the books of X and Y if the bill become dishonored under the each of the following circumstances. So number of circumstances are there. If it retain the bill, if it is discount from its bank, endorse the same to the Z, and X send the bill to the banker for collection. Okay, so different cases are there. In different cases when bill is dishonored, what journal entry should be passed. So we are passing the journal entries in the books of X and Y. So first we passing the journal entries. Okay, question number 6. Solution. So we are passing entries in the books of X. Okay, students. So under first case, when bill is retained by the when bill is retained by Y, what journal entry is passed? First, when bill is accepted, students, the journal entry is bill receivable account debit to Y, means to draw it. Okay, and the amount of the bill was 3,000. When when maturity date is there and bill is dishonored under first case. Okay, when bill is dishonored, okay, when the drawer retain the bill till the maturity date, at the time the entry is Y debit, means that bill is dishonored and it is returned to the drawee. Okay, Y debit to bills receivable account. Okay, 3,000. When bill is dishonored, okay, in the case when bill is retained by the drawer himself till the due date. Okay, students. The second case is when bill is discounted from bank. Okay, so in the second case, the first journal entry is same. Okay, in the second case, when he discount the bill, first X discount the bill from the banker. Okay, at that time the second case first entry is same, and in this 3 entry will be passed A, B. When he discount the bill from bank, at that time bank account debit, bank discount the bill at discount. So discount allowed by X to bank, discount account debit to bills receivable account. Discount is rupees 30, bill of rupees 3,000. So it is discounted by bank at a discount of 30. So the amount is 2,970. Okay, students. When bill is now bank discount the bill, X receive the amount. Then at the time of the payment, okay, bill is dishonored. Now the bill is returned by bank to Y. At that time, the last entry is Y debit to bank. To bank account, amount of the bill is 3,000. Okay, in the first case, bill was accepted. After that, X in cash his bill, discount his bill from bank. Now X received the amount. Okay, so X received the amount. After that, when bill is dishonored, the journal entry is Y debit to bank. Okay. Next case under this, if X endorse the same to his creditor Z. So he transferred his bill, he endorsed bill to his creditor. After that, at that time, the entry in the books of X is first entry is same when bill receivable is accepted. Bills receivable account debit to Y. Y accept the bill of rupees 3,000. First entry is same. Okay. In the third case, first entry is same. Now the second entry, when he transferred the bill to his creditor Z. So Z debit to bills receivable account 3,000. After that, bill is dishonor. Now it is in the hand of Z. Okay, so bill is dishonor. Now Z return the bill to Y. Y debit to Z. Amount is 3,000. In the second, in the third is done. Now fourth, when bill is sent to bank for collection. Okay, at that time first entry is same, so we are doing the fourth. When bill is sent to the bank for collection, when bill first entry is same when bill is accepted, and the second entry is when bill is sent to the bank. At that time the entry is bank for collection account debit to bills receivable account 3,000. When this bill is not endorsed, transferred to bank for collection by X, now it is dishonor. Now the journal entry is who returned the bill? Bank returned the bill to Y. So Y debit, because bill is dishonor, so Y debit to bill for collection account 3,000 and 3,000. So these are the entries in the books of X when different cases are there. Now we are passing the journal entries in the books of Y when in the case of dishonor of bill. Okay. So when bill is accepted, students, when bill is accepted, the journal entry is X debit to bills payable account. Okay, he accept the bill and he write in the books X debit and he credit his bills payable account. After that, when in all entries, see students, in all entry, in the last entry, when bill is dishonor, the bill is transferred to Y. So in all these four cases, the last entry is same. So if there is only one entry in the books of Y when the dishonored bill is returned back to him. At that time the entry is bills payable account debit. The bills which is dishonored is debited to him to X. Okay, and the amount of bill is 3,000. Okay students, in the first case, second case, third case and the fourth case, this entry is same in his books. Okay, bills payable account debit to X account B, because he doesn't know that whether X transferred endorsed his bill, whether he sent for the collection, nothing. In his view X is drawer. So in his book he was passing the journal entry bills payable account debit, the bills which are dishonored to X. Okay students, now we are doing the next question number 7 with the seventh case. Question number 7. So this question number 6 is related to the dishonor of bill, and the seventh case is dishonor and noting charges. Noting charges are paid to the notary public. Okay, when there is a default of the drawing. At that time students, so now we are discussing the question number, we are doing the numerical question number 7. Okay, in your book page number 689. So this question is related to dishonor of bill and noting charges. So X draws upon a Y bill of rupees 6,000 for 3 months Okay, on 1st July 2018, the bill was duly accepted and returned by Y. On due date, become dishonor and noting charges under the each of the following circumstances is rupees 40. Pass the journal entry in the following cases. So number of cases are there. If drawer retain the bill with himself till the due date, if drawer discount the bill from his banker, rupees 30 getting a discount, paying a discount. If drawer endorse the same to his creditor Z and noting charges paid by Z. If drawer send the bill for collection to his banker and noting charges paid by banker. Now we are passing the journal entry in the books of X and Y both. So first we passing the journal entry in the books of X. Okay, so students, dates are also given. So date of issuing a bill is 1st July 2018. Okay, so now the bill is matured after 3 months. So 3 months. So first month is July. Second, next month is July, August. Second month is August. Third month from third is September. Okay, third month, 3 months are there. Now 4 days for grace. 3 days for grace. So bill is due. Bill is matured on September 4th. Third month is fully included. After that, October 1st, on October 1st, bill is due, and on October 1st, 3 days for grace days, and on October 4, bill is due. Because 3 months are full, after full 3 months, bill is matured. So after 3 months, 1st October there, and on 1st October, 3 days are adding for grace days, and on October 4, bill is matured. Okay, so the payment of bill was done on October 4th. So in the books of X, when bill is accepted, okay, so we are passing dates also. 2018, bill is drawn on July 1st. When bill is accepted, bills receivable account debit to Y. Amount of bill is 6,000. Okay. After that, in the first case, he retained the bill himself. Okay. When due date is there, okay, due date is October 4. Okay, in the same year, when due date is there, bill is dishonored and noting charges is also paid. At that time, Y bill return to Y debit to bill receivable to noting charges account. Okay, noting charges is given in the question rupees 40, bill of rupees 6,000. Now 6,040 rupees with Y is debited with 6,000 rupees 40. So in the first case, when bill is retained by the drawer, means X himself at that time, this entry is passed. In the second case, when when the drawer discount the same bill from his bank, okay, and paying 30 rupees discount. So at that time, first entry is same. Okay, the second, at that time, first entry is same. Okay, so on July 1st, bill is accepted, and on July 1st, the bank discount, the drawer means X discount his bill from bank. So at that time, the entry is bank account debit, discount account debit to bills receivable account. Okay, so discount is rupees 30, bill for rupees 5,970, and total amount of bill is 6,000. Now this bill is dishonored. Okay, at that time the journal and this bill is returned on October 4. This bill is maturity date is on October 4, but this bill is dishonored. Okay, now the journal entry is Y debit to bank with 6,000, because now bill is in the hands of bank. Okay, this bill is dishonored. Now bank return that bill to Y. Okay, when bank returned, noting charges is also paid. So we also write here noting charges account. So the noting charges is rupees 40. So we debit Y with rupees 40. Okay, students. So this is the second case when the drawer means X discount his bill from bank. First, his bill is accepted, the entry is same. Second, he discount the bill from bank. After that, when bill is dishonored, the bank return that bill to Y. Okay, with noting charges amount. Okay, because at the end it is the drawee who paid the bill and also noting charges. And in the third case, the drawer transferred this bill, endorsed this bill to his creditor Z. Okay, to creditor Z, and noting charges now paid by Z. So when bill is accepted, the entry is same. Okay, in third case, when bill is accepted, first entry is same, and on the same date when bill is drawn on the name of Y, X transferred this bill to Z. So Z debit to bills receivable. What he transferred? What X transferred to Z? He transferred a bill of rupees 6,000. Now at the time of maturity on October 4, the bill is dishonored. Now Z is return the bill and also pay the noting charges. So at that time, Y debit, Z return the bill to Y, to Z, and to noting charges account. So noting charges is 50. The amount of bill is 6,000. So total amount which is debited in the Y account is 6,040. Clear, students? So third case is done. Now come to the fourth case when bill is sent to the bank for collection. So the fourth case is when bill sent to the bank for collection. The first entry is same, students, when bill is accepted. In the second, when bill is drawn on the same date, X sent his bill. Bill is sent to the bank on the due date. So on the due date, X sent the bill to his bank for collection. So at that time, bill sent for collection account debit. Bill sent for collection account debit. Who sent the bill? What is sent to bank? Bills receivable. So bills receivable account, so rupees 6,000. After that, when bill is dishonored, so on October 4, X transferred this bill, sent this bill to his bank for collection. But this bill is dishonored on the same date. Okay, so at that time the journal entry is, students, Y debit to bill sent for collection to bill sent for collection account and to bank. Now noting charges are paid by bank, so to bank account. So noting charges rupees 40, bill sent for collection rupees 6,000. So Y is debited with 6,040. Okay, students. Now these all entries in the four cases in the books of X. Now we are passing these entries in the books of Y. Okay, so students, only two entries are in the books of Y. Okay, first entry when bill is accepted in 2018 July 1st. So Y accepted the bill. The journal entry is X debit to bills payable account 6,000. Okay, when bill is dishonored, okay, at that time everyone debited to X. Okay, so when bill is dishonored in all cases, first case, second case, third case, and fourth case, the entry is same. Bills payable account debit to bills payable account debit, noting charges. Now noting charges are paid by Y. Noting charges account debit to to X, because X returned him. The bill is returned by X to him. So noting charges 40, bills of rupees 6,000. So 6,040. Because Y doesn't know that whether the X transferred his bill, whether he retained his bill himself. Okay, that bill himself. So in the books of Y, all entries are same. Okay, means in all these cases, one entry will be passed when stable account debit, noting charges account debit to X account. Clear, students?